Hi, if you want to send Memoji with voice message on the iPhone 16, then open the Messages app first. Here I'm gonna select this chat with my friend Maddie. And now in the new iOS, we will need to tap on the plus. And here we'll see some features. We need to go in the more, and after that we will see the Memoji. So just tap it to select, and now you need to bring your face into the view. And I hope you can see that this Memoji is just copying my gestures, my smiling, and so on. So to send Memoji with voice message, we will need to tap on this red button and just say something. For example, "Hi, this is video about the iPhone 16. Love you." And then tap on this icon. And now if you want to send this message, you will need to tap on the blue arrow and wait a couple of seconds. And now it is sent. So we can just tap on this dynamic icon and just listen it once more.
Hi, this is video about the iPhone 16. Love you.
I think this is pretty cool and pretty cute feature. So yeah, that's it how you do this. And I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.